Hey, I'm Nate Allred. I'm one of the traders here at the Apiary Fund, and I'm here to tell you about a 6-month study that we just completed with over 1,000 of our traders. What we were doing is we wanted to find out the best habits of the best traders and what makes them so successful. And what we found is that there are 4 key characteristics that every trader does who is successful. Number 1 is that they attend classes. What that means is that they're continually educating themselves. They're continually trying to find better ways of improving their trading and their trading habits. In fact, of the 1,000 traders that we surveyed, 90% of them had attended a class in the last 7 days. They're continually looking for more information and trying to improve themselves. Number 2 is that they trade daily. What that means is they set aside time each and every day. They've created a habit that turns into consistency, that turns into profits and money right back into their pocket. Number 3 is that they participate in a forum. They have a community support group around them. What that means is they have a place where they can go and get their questions answered, but not only are they taking from that community, they're giving back to the community. They're sharing their experiences, they're sharing their thoughts, they're sharing their wisdom with other people around them. And number 4, this is the big one, they hold on to their winning trades longer than they hold on to their losing trades. By far and away, what we found is that there was not one single instance where a trader hung on to their losing trades longer and still made money. That did not make them successful. So in summary, these are the 4 habits that every single trader does who is successful. They educate themselves, they trade daily, they participate in forums or in a community, and they hold on to their losing trades not as long as they hold on to their winning trades. Remember that in your trading and really focus on those things, because from our study, that is the thing that makes somebody successful. Happy trading, and we'll see you on the other side.